Wow, it's getting kind of exciting. I'm almost there, and I'm remembering the trip down here with all of our land projects and so forth. Really pretty ride on a very rural country road. But I'm already thinking, so I planted trees up by the road. I did the gates up front, and then I kind of did a cheesy gate before the main gate, wondering if they fixed that. So anyways, we're almost there. Let's go check it out. Well, I got new tar chipping on the road. That's good. Actually, a lot of the rural roads have gotten new tar chipping these last couple of years. I'm guessing government COVID money is why, which is a good thing though. These things were really a wreck with potholes. So here's the edge of the property. The second gate is still there. It's just totally overgrown now. Oh, look at them pines in there. The ones that did survive. Oh, nice. Very pretty. All right, let's do a kind of a lower flyover first. Oh, that is pretty. That's pretty. Oh, I see one new deer tower. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Guess I'll take it up for a little more elevation. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Welcome to our new viewers. So just for reference, here's a drone flight of the same property, you know, over 6 years ago when we bought it. The entire 211 acres was in grassland CRP, which is a whole nother topic. But anyways, look at this beautiful farm 6+ years ago. And now let's get back to today's overview. Man, I can't believe this was already, what, 3+ years ago when we finished it. And I think we worked on it for like 2 years. Big, there's the destination plot back there. From the ground, it's supposed to be an acre and a half. I didn't measure it, I estimated it, but it's probably only going to be about an acre this year, and I can expand it in the years coming. You getting the hang of it?
Out of the way, Joe. You're keeping a hard-working man.
Oh, I'm slowing you down, huh?
Yeah.
Doesn't look green, although we've been clobbered by, oh, look at the pines mixed in through there. Wow, that's pretty. So if you look right here, you could see the rows of pines here. This is actually a ditch area that we planted pines on both sides of it to reduce erosion and also for more trees and cover on the property. Well, that is cool. So this swath right here, there's a runoff ditch right in the middle. It's not quite a year-round creek, probably 3/4 of the year it's wet. But anyways, this is all a mix of loblolly planting plus the natural regen since oaks were coming up in here, and you could see what a jungle this thing has become. Oh, there's another big plot, man. They really increased the road system here. See how they got that blind laid out? That's really cool. That's more for shotgun hunting, where those are actually 3 shooting lanes like the crow's foot. That's cool. I don't remember how many plots that I built when we had it. Just want to kind of get a look that way. And we're going to come back. Okay, yeah, we did. I made it back to there, but then I skipped over this corner. All right, look at these pines here. That is cool. Okay, I remember this now. This is also where there was a big pond back here. We needed a bunch of fill. Can't tell if they nixed that little micro plot that was there. Looks like they don't. Yeah, it looks like they didn't really use it. Okay, so now we're crossing the big ditch down here, and this one, okay, I remember this one. This was a really nice plot, even though we saw it a minute ago, but there should be another one. Thought there was another one up in here. Maybe they reduced the number I had, which is fine. You only need so many plots, but depends on, you know, how many guys you got, what you want to do. There you can see the pine plantings along the edge there. That looks pretty nice. Let's see if I can get a little closer look. I mean, I specifically laid out this new CRP plan for not only wildlife and continuing the CRP, but making it a better hunting property. Kind of a win-win. So that should all be new pines in there. And when we take a ride, we'll see like exactly how big they are. It took me 2 years to do all that planting. I think we planted, boy, 80-some thousand pines maybe, and every one had to be stuck in the ground by hand. Iron Mike helped me quite a bit, and I hired a crew of older guys because we couldn't find young folks that wanted to do it. So this is the front corner up here. I do remember I had a micro plot back here. Yep, there it is. That had a watering hole right below it. Yep, there it is right there. Looks like there's water in it. Very nice. This was some areas were natural regen, and some were actually pine planting, and some were actually pine mixed with the oak that was already coming up naturally. We really had to use our imagination on this plan. There's just no doubt about it, but it's looking like it turned out really nice. Alright, man, let's go take a ride. I want to see how big the pines are. But man, it looks beautiful. I wonder what they got in this big plot. I mean, we've just been crushed this summer with drought. Alright, let's take it back towards the front and go for a ride. That's that really nice sandy crossing right down here. I'm going to try to use the active track. To follow me on the ATV. Yeah, I remember this ditch. This ditch was lined with pines on both sides. It's hard to see right now. I mean, this brush is probably 7, 8, 9 feet tall. Alright, let me get a fresh battery and hop on the four-wheeler and go for a spin. Man, it looks very pretty, especially just being bush hogged. Very nice. Well, I guess while I'm up here, I'll just do a quick spin. Along the road here, I also incorporated a mix of pine and natural regen, as you can see, is working really good. That's a border, you know, from the road. Keep prying eyes out, keep access out, you know, where you can't just like spin over a fence with a four-wheeler. So this is a jungle. We'll get a closer look, but it looks like you could see the pines in there mixed with all the other natural regen. Very nice. All right, battery's dying out, so let's bring it in.